Our customer has asked to find a solution to prevent fire and check the most important things is check the rate of rise when the train arrive and stay in the station, because we driverless, nobody can check what's happening on the train about the fire. But they had an old system in this station, in old station, and we are increase the safety with the new system from Van Weaver. Another technology, no, because the request is to check the temperature very close to the rail where the train has the brake, because when the train arrived to the station, the brake had a heavy work. So it's important to check the temperature under the train, very close to the wheel and very close to the brake. In this place, the metro has also the power supply. So they need something free for electromagnetic field and noise. So the optic fiber with laser is a good solution. And also they can they need to check also the temperature that while the train is moving along all the rail in the train station. And also, due to the position close to the wheel on the rail, the Van Weaver fiber optic is good because it's flexible, thin, but this kind of fiber has an external armature in stainless steel. So this is also heavy fiber. So the train arrives in the station, stop there for 25 seconds, close the doors and start again. So it's important to check the fire or the rising of the temperature in 25 seconds. Yeah, we have to check now, we have to check when the train is braking and when the train is in stop. So this is good because we can have the cycle time with Van Weaver unit also for 5 seconds, but in this case it's set to 7 seconds. And our competitor give the rate of rise every minute. That means the train can arrive, stop 25 seconds, the train start again. After 1 minute, maybe they can have the alarm. So this is not important. This is not enough. We have to know now. So with this kind of unit, with the Van Weaver DTS, we have 7 seconds cycle time. So in 25 seconds, when the train is stopped in the station, we check 4 times, let me say, 4 times the rate of rise, and also the maximum temperature if you need. Yeah. In every station, they have a lot of PLC and SCADA system to check everything, not only the temperature, but they check TVCC, they check the voltage, high voltage, all level, water, sprinkler for the fire extinguisher. They have a SCADA where they check everything. This new unit was integrated with a digital output and Modbus TCP with a PLC that check and verify everything, and also can activate alarm or not. But from the PLC, the unit is integrated also in the SCADA system. So for the first system, I was there. And first of all, we check the beginning and the end point to check for sensitivity zone with a electric cover, with heating cover to check.
Yes.
So after this, we set the unit and then we simulate, let me say, fire with the electric cover, heating cover, to increase the temperature until 60 degrees. So the start before, this is important, during the test, before comes the rate of rise alarm, because the heating cover is warming up very quickly before we get the rate of rise alarm, and then we get the alarm temperature maximum alarm. So when we check if everything working well, the unit and the communication from the DTS unit with the PLC and SCADA, and then we close the circuit.